So yun na nga guys, may dumating. Ito siya. So ngayon we'll unbox it. So as the title of this video, it's my new keyboard. And nabili ko lang siya around 1,000 plus. So yun, unbox lang natin guys. So I'm not sure if this is good, so I'm not a tech review guy, but I love documenting the things that I purchasing, and I'll be honest with this bad boy. Thumbnail, ayan. So it's an Attack Shark. So right off the box, may mga dents na siya. Oh, hindi maganda yung pagkakapackage. Manipis lang siya guys. And actually, wala siyang fragile sticker or label, which is very bad. Keyboards are fragile. So let me just turn on the camera. Alright, so here's the keyboard, the box itself. Ayan, may mga dents siya guys. It's not very good. And that's my old keyboard. That's the Red Dragon. I forgot the name. Right off the bat, wala siyang any seal that's stopping us from unboxing it. Tadaan! So, meron siyang plastic na takip. Attack Shark. Let's put it here, somewhere on the side. Then here we go, the keyboard. So the keyboard itself, right off the bat. And then may mga triple mode RGB keyboard. So I believe this is operating instructions. So this is the manual. Your stickers, very cute, and as well as another sticker. And alongside with our USB to Type-C connector. Ayan siya. So white, I like the color. Anything else in the box? Oh, it's the puller. I forgot the name. It's the switch puller. And we have extras. We do have extra switch. To be honest, I don't know anong switch tong nandito. Anything else in the box? Hirapan akong bitawan yung keyboard. Anything in the box? I believe that's it. That's what's inside the box. And then the moment of truth. Sheesh. So comparison wise, this is my old keyboard. So wala siyang numpad. So I'm not really using numpad anyway. So ooh, I love the creaminess. I'm not sure if this is the switch, but regardless, we'll be plugging it out. So this is my old keyboard. It's a mix of blue switch. So I believe this is a ano ba ito? Nagre-review na to. It's a TriMode connection. So as you can see, it's wired 2.5G plus Bluetooth. So that's a TriMode switch. So for the price, I believe it's the deal of the century. So we have a wired, a USB. So which is, it's here. So this is rubber. Plastic lang tong material guys. The whole thing is plastic, but the sound is so good. So let me just plug this real quick to my PC. Let me just figure out how to turn this on. Very easy. So it's there. So Windows, Mac, oh, that's good. So if you're kinda a Mac user, you could switch it. Ito yung USB, and then you have the 2.4G, which is gonna be trying. And so we'll do like this. Grabe, ang sarap mag-type. Sisipag na ako sa trabaho nito, guys. So, hindi ko alam guys on how to really I don't even know how to switch the very nice, right? So, and guys, that's the Attack Shark M86 keyboard. So, if you want one of this, I'm not sponsored by the way. So, if you want one of this, you can try out. I have a link in the description below. So, I'll be using this for work, and I'll be using this for gaming as well if I have time. And I hope this is helpful in some ways. And if you want more of this kind of content that I showcase what I purchase, comment down below and subscribe for more content like this. And thank you guys for watching this video. Hope you like it. Leave a like if you like this video. Subscribe for more contents like this of documenting my life and trying to help out the community that I have. Alright, thank you guys. See you on the next video. Peace.